Hello students, unit 6 lesson monkeys and the bell, 6th standard English notes, part 2. Main A, answer the following questions in 2 or 3 lines each. First question, why did the village people begin to leave the village? Answer, at night the monkeys started playing with the bell and enjoying its sound. But the villagers who heard the sound coming from the forest became afraid. They thought that there was some evil spirit which might kill them, so they began to leave the village. Second question, how did Meena get the bell? Meena bought peas, groundnuts, and fruits. That night she went into the forest, placed them under a tree, and hid herself. The monkeys were, as usual, playing with the bell. When they saw the eatables, they threw the bell and ran to pick them up. At that time, Meena grabbed the bell. Quickly and rushed back to the village. Second main language use the given words and frame meaningful sentences. First one robber came village. Second one tiger heard jingle. Third one bell fell ground. Fourth one monkeys saw bell. First one, once a robber came into the village. Second one, in the forest a tiger heard the sound of jingle bell. Third one, monkeys went to eat eatables, then their bell fell into the ground. Fourth one, in forest monkeys saw a bell. Main B. In groups of three, read the following sentences aloud. Form other sentences substituting the underlined word with those given in brackets. One has been done for you. First one, I am a farmer. In bracket, teacher, student. Example, I am a teacher. I am a student. Second one, you are a player. Third one, we are merchants. In bracket, painters, servants. Fourth one, he loves books. In bracket, sweets, movies. Fifth one, she likes flowers. In bracket, music, toys. Sixth one, they do not cheat. In bracket, smoke, lie. Main B, second one, you are a player. You are a boxer. You are a runner. Third one, we are merchants. We are painters. We are servants. Fourth one, he loves books. He loves sweets. He loves movies. Fifth one, she likes flowers. She likes music. She likes toys. Sixth one, they do not cheat, they do not smoke, they do not lie. Main C. First one, discuss with your friends and write the opposites for the following. If you need, you can refer the dictionary. First one, beautiful, ugly. Second one, fast, slow. Third one, near, far. Fourth one, clean, dirty. Fifth one, few, plenty. Second main, use the opposites of the words in the brackets to fill the blanks. Second main, use the opposites of the words in the brackets to fill the blanks. Mandel lived in a beautiful in bracket ugly place. He thought Peter was good and told him to look after his cows with love. Peter was honest and always correct in his job. Main D. Fill in the blanks choosing suitable words from the box. Sita and Geeta are good friends. Sita is tall but Geeta is short. But both study for 4 hours in a day. So they always get good marks in tests. Neither Sita nor Geeta wastes her time. They are always busy, either studying or helping others. Geeta is not only rich but also kind. Fourth main, match the following words with the expressions shown below them. Happy, sad, afraid, crying, laughing, angry. First one is happy, second one is sad, third one is laughing, fourth one is afraid, fifth one is crying, sixth one is angry. Third main vocabulary. Main A. Fill in the blanks in the following paragraph by supplying the words for the given pictures. Gopal and Neena are brother and sister. One day they are playing with a ball. They see a small puppy dog. Its leg is broken. They take it to their house and apply medicine and tie a bandage. Nina gives it a bun to eat while Gopal brings it water to drink. The dog rests for some time. Later in the evening, it ran and ran with Gopal and Nina, or playing and playing with the Gopal and Nina. Main B. In working in pairs, look at the words in the box, then answer the questions below. You may need the help of a dictionary. Rainbow, right, 11, thorough, cauliflower. First one, which word has the largest number of vowels? Vowels means A, E, I, O, U letters. Answer is cauliflower. In this, A, U, I, O, E, these are the vowels. Second one, which word is made up of two smaller words? Rainbow, rain plus bow, rainbow. Third one, which word has I as its middle letter? WRITE, right. Fourth one, which of the five words would come first in a dictionary? Cauliflower. C comes first in dictionary. Sixth one, which word would come last in a dictionary? Right. W is the last word. Seventh one, which word has 8 letters? Thorough. 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 In this word, 8 letters are there. Eighth one, which word begins with two consonants and ends with two consonants? Thorough. THOROUGH. First letters TH are consonants and last two letters GH are consonants.